Onion skin benefits. Don't throw away ever again onion skin. After reading this, you will never throw onion skin away ever again. Onions are irreplaceable food in our daily life and are used in preparation of almost all dishes. But the mistake most people make is throwing away the skin after peeling it. Studies have shown that the shell of the onion contains lot of antioxidants that can improve human health. The outer layer of the onion is rich in dietary fiber and flavonoids, which are very useful in improving skin health. The skin of the onion is rich in powerful pigment called quercetin, which reduces hypertension, prevents cancer. It is antifungal and antibacterial. Collect the onion skin in a bowl and add some warm water in it. Then soak it for 10 to 15 minutes. After that, take a glass and filter this water into it. After filtering, drink this water before bedtime. Quercetin, the main ingredient in onion skin, contains insoluble fiber. It fights cancer. It contains flavonoids and balances pH level in the body. Note: it is not recommended for pregnant women and nursing mothers. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.